Okay, so we have arrived at the last location that we're checking out today, and let me tell you. You know what? Let me just show you. 𝗓𝗟𝗢𝗚𝗚𝗜𝗡𝗚. So we just got a boat from, where were we? Nusa Penida to Nusa Penida, and we're about to go and explore all of the mountains and the beaches and everything's super cool, and hopefully not like die of moisture and sweat in the process. So, and our choice of transportation for the island today is going to be one of these sick scooters. So like, if you've been following my content for a while, there's like a reoccurring theme, like I'm always late. It's not a thing, it's like I literally am always late. And I am a baby little giraffe. So we had a scooter and we're like on the scooter for an hour. It was like mad fun. And then your boy, after falling off his booster board, which only just healed, decided to be so great to fall off the scooter and like just absolutely ruin my body. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. Look, I was not a happy camper for a bit there, but we had some lovely Balinese and Indonesian people come to our rescue, give some first aid. I bought a first aid kit on this trip as well, and do you think I packed it today? The one time that I needed it, do you think I packed it? The answer is no, I didn't pack it. I didn't pack it at all, because I'm an idiot.
Freaking idiot!
But yeah, look, the view's pretty sick, and I'm feeling better. I'm drinking some beer, so that's a bit of first aid right there, you know what I mean? And look, I think the plan now is try and capture some more beautiful shots here, because it's just so picturesque. It's just so bloody beautiful. I think once we've done that, I'll get the drone up, hopefully get the wind's not too bad, so I can get some sweet cinematography, and then go jump in the pool, hopefully chlorine will help tend to this first aid. Then I'll get the actual first aid kit, antiseptic, and betadine my way to good health. Anyway, straight cut to the cinema. Alright, so here's the sitch. Tried to fly my drone like down there, which is like a broken cave thing. We'll go have a look at it in 2 seconds. And for whatever reason, the obstacle avoidance wasn't working. So I tried to reverse and pan out, and then 100% rip drone. Let's go have a look at the thing that I was trying to film with my drone, because it's sick. Alright, so here's where I tried to fly the drone without looking and thinking the obstacle sensors would work. Turns out, didn't work at all, but it's pretty picturesque. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so we have arrived at the last location that we're checking out today, and let me tell you. You know what? Let me just show you. Is quite possibly one of the nicest places that I've ever stayed in. And like, I travel a lot, and look, if you've never been to Bali before, I can't recommend Bali enough. I have been fortunate enough with my family to have been coming here since I was a kid. I think the first time that I came to Bali was like 1996 when I was 6 years old, or maybe 97. The thing about Bali and Perth, right, is that Bali is closer to Perth than what Melbourne is to Perth, give or take. So it's very economical getting up here, and the people here are beautiful, the country here is beautiful. I mean, like, just look at some of the cinematography, attempted cinematography, before I smashed my drone and fell off the scooter and injured myself and all of that. Okay, so this is so cool. This is a little mobile phone which works anywhere on the island in Bali, right? This connects to our butler. We have 3 butlers that are available 24/7, right? 3 butlers, 24/7, that's so sick. So you can literally call them at any time and ask them for whatever you want. Now, it also comes with a menu that you can choose stuff from at any time of the day, right? So I think what I'm feeling right now is I'm gonna get some Balinese coffee, and I think a little cheeseburger, and maybe some calamari. So I think that's the vibe. That's what I'm gonna call up the butler right now. Hello, can I please order some room service? Awesome. Thanks. See you soon. One, I shouldn't own a booster board. Two, I should never ever be allowed on a scooter. And I should not have ridden a scooter yesterday because like we all know what happened to me. And this is literally how clumsy I am. I'm literally a baby giraffe. I just went to pick up my AirPods, right? And I didn't do this for the vlog. This isn't me being like, oh, this will be entertaining content. No, I literally just like went to pick it up. I was filming this B-roll scene and it slipped out of my fingers. Like, thank you so much. I'm pretty happy. We got the chips, we got the coffee, we got the burgers, and we got, make sure I don't drop that. Oh, Paul, don't drop that. Paul, don't drop that. Paul, don't drop that. Paul, don't drop that. Oh, and we got the calamari. Oh, honey, honey. All right, timeout's over. I got some calamari and I got some chips. I'm a happy boy. Let's call Zach back. Usually I jump into this ending scene, but I think given the surroundings, probably not a good idea to try my luck, especially also after I've like really hurt myself already today. Anyways, that there concludes this episode of the vlog. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn the bell notifications on so you get notified when I drop new videos. And apart from that, let's cue the explosion and I will see you in the next episode. Peace. Incredible. I may have a slight case of heat stroke, but how fire was that content? You know what I mean?